Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video of JaskaranVlogs. आज ही Xiaomi ने MIUI 12 को globally launch कर दिया है finally after so much of wait, and today we are going to discuss some key features of this update. So let's get started.
Buzzword that we've been hearing in the last 6 months. System animations.
So, Xiaomi ने पहले सिस्टम एनिमेशंस पर जोर दिया है कि जैसे 3D ग्राफिक्स हमें शो होते हैं, रेंडरिंग स्पीड एंड कलर ब्लेंडिंग स्पीड कैसे ऐप ओपन होते हैं, ये बताया पहले तो.
Render engine is used to optimize the 3D computer graphic operations. This picture shows the color blending, which is linear opacity. It looks like a plastic plate covering the color, which is not natural. In our real life, the light is changing and the blurring effect should not be fixed. So, with our rendering engine, we will enable advanced color blending and Gaussian blur. You can see various degrees of blurring when the light penetrates different materials. The blurring happens in real time. Our new render engine also introduces a G2 continuity curve, which allows the interface to feed the hardware seamlessly, as you can see here. If we look at the animation on the right to compare, you can see an instant flow. Then physical engine. In our physical world, things have gravity and speed. If we touch at something like this, we will get a force feedback or the feel of resilience. We want it to happen on your phone screen too. So we introduced a physical engine that turns UI elements into real-world objects. Now, your screen will respond to your movements. Every gesture gets feedback. If you touch on the corner, it will get a response from the corner. And if you tap on the front, you will get another feedback. Every movement is tangibly real. The inspiration behind our weather app is pretty obvious: nature itself. This is the way we actually look at the sky. The bright sunshine will get through the clouds, and the clouds will be blown away by wind. You can see the weather in different cities by swiping screen. You can see sun in Delhi, cloud in Moscow, heavy rains in Singapore, and a beautiful sunset in Madrid. The weather changed on your screen just like changed in your life. MIUI 12
एंड अब एक नई चीज़ जो Xiaomi कहता है कि वो लेकर आया है. लेट्स सी, इज इट सो?
Beyond our lives, imagination often drives us to explore bigger world. When you unlock the screen, you come through all the way to the Martian surface. Most of us have never been so close to Mars before. As you swipe through home screen, you can even see the planet spin. So every time when you enter home screen, you are taking a tour of the Martian surface. It's so awesome. MIUI 12 Super Wallpaper break boundaries of space. They bring home screen, lock screen, and always on display together into one amazingly immersive experience. Official data from NASA allow us to recreate several landing points for you to choose from. They look breathtakingly real, and more surprisingly, the view will change with time as night falls. You could appear tonight on Mars, by looking at Mars in your phone. Super wallpaper, Mars edition. MIUI 12 is not just about impressive looks. We are a lot more. At this time, we also bring you many innovative new features. Starting from casting. We need a lot of stuff to prepare before casting, right? Like a laptop and a lot of big cables. Annoying. And sometimes just drives you crazy. Is that a better solution? Yes, there is. We developed built-in universal casting tools that will work for everything, including videos, images, games, documents, and even apps. So cool, right? But there's still a little problem. What if you receive a private message while you're casting? It can be awkward, right? We believe that private things should always be private. So we offer the option of private casting. If you choose private casting, all notifications can only be shown on your phone screen, but not on the big screen. Same for calls. You can even minimize your presenting window and do something else. Another super cool feature I'd like to share today is multitasking. Multitasking is something we use very often in our life. We have been getting used to it on laptops. But when it comes to mobile devices, with smaller screens, we'll have a lot of problems. Split screen is an option, but it doesn't always work, as not all apps supporting splitting screen, right? We had one solution before. We supported quick replies for a few things like games and videos. But still, it's not a perfect solution. This time, we introduced floating windows that will work everywhere. How does it work? Suppose your friend types your message while browsing Instagram. What do you do normally? You have to leave Instagram and switch to Messenger to reply, right? But not in MIUI 12. In MIUI 12, you just open in a snap and close in an instant. If you don't want to reply at the moment, you can just minimize the app and hand it on corners, any corners you like. And now you got time to reply, just tap to bring it back. And if you want to focus on chatting, just put it down and go full screen. What's up? It sounds of low battery, one of the most anxious sounding in life. We really get very anxious when the power is less than 20%. When it turns 5%, we get desperate, right? So this time we develop Ultra Battery Saver for you. If there's only 5% power left, your phone usually can last 1 hour on standby. But if you turn on the Ultra Battery Saver, it can last 5 hours by restricting background activities and switching to dark mode. Security has always been at the core of our values. It's our top priority to safeguard your privacy. For 10 years, we've been made relentless effort in order to provide our users with continuous privacy protection. MIUI 12 addresses all your concerns with a brand new feature, permission notification. When camera, location, or recording is running in the background, you will see bright icon appear in the status bar. Just like that, all sensitive activities is now visible. In MIUI 12, you will know what is happening when it is happening. You can close the app that uses sensitive permissions in a single tap. But sometimes, we still need to grant access to some apps. So every time when this window appears, I get very struggling. I want to allow this app use this time, but not every time. But if I deny, I may not able to use it at all. So is there a better solution? Yes. Now we offer an enhanced permission control that will allow the permission being used only while you're using the app. You don't need to worry that the app will abuse the permission in the background. So ladies and gentlemen, MIUI 12 will come to the 5 models by end of June. Other devices will catch up soon after that. Please stay tuned for updates on our social media. Another good news is that we offer beta testing this time, which will be available next week.
So इस बार Xiaomi ने ज़्यादा एम्फसिस जो है वो प्राइवेसी को दिया है, एंड आई गेस यू गाइस नो वाई. बट लेट्स सी इस MIUI में कितने एड्स और कितने पॉपअप्स हमें शो होते हैं. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे गाइस. आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो.